Hello, and welcome to today's video, in which I'll show you how to turn the passenger airbag on or off in an Opel or Vauxhall. This is particularly useful when you have a child sitting on the passenger side, as in my case. So before we begin, make sure the car is turned off. Once the vehicle is turned off, let's get started. In many Opel models, the airbag switch is on the left side of the dashboard on the passenger side. To locate it, simply open the passenger door. Once the door is open, you'll see the switch. You can use suitable tools or simply your car key to turn it on or off. Just insert the key into the gap and turn it to the right to turn off the airbag or to the left to turn it on, depending on how you want it to be. And that's it! You successfully turned the passenger airbag in your Opel/Vauxhall on or off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos.